我们要去买贝果啦 at Primrose Bagels. Let's see if it's as good as Courage. We are here.
Oh wow, pretty busy.
Ooh, yeah, pretty busy. All the bagels. Schley! Breakfast sandwich. Let's open her up. Wow, wait, ready? Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. So bomb. Those perfect fall vibes. So gorgeous. Oh my god, 要看一家这个 I need a bang 啊 Wow 非常的 hard at work Look at how intricate吃播第2弹今天 My fave 大家好，给大家看一下淘宝上新买的这个好物。我还没有装餐巾纸 ，but it's supposed to be a tissue paper holder. So cute. Look how cute it is, Barbie girl. Hi guys, me and DeVito are going to a Netflix event now.
Honestly, I have no idea.
And we have no idea because we both have not seen the show. 大家伙儿看这个 line. Oh my god, guys, this is the line for the event.
I mean, it feels amazing. This show.
But this outfit is so cute, so I just wanted to share it in the vlog. I'm not doing anything. I'm literally gonna eat dinner after this, but the top is from Eternay, little white turtleneck. The skirt is from Chew, 太曝光了吧? And then the shoes are from Shein. My bag is from By Far, but this is like so adorable. I'm so obsessed with this entire outfit. Post work munch, hard at work, cutting it. Yummy. Working from home is so nice, guys, because I get to come out and stroll, get my steps in. It's Friday today, and it's actually really nice out.
It's like
Amazing.
he's like
Hello. Hello.
yeah.
Slay.
Coming out of high school. You
Yeah.
know? Like Rotman.
We're so crazy.
You know, just
Slay.
crazy Friday night.
Yes. Very rowdy. I just got some PR from Max. I think that's how you pronounce it. So excited to try these items. I love Korean skincare, so I'm really excited. Just finished this book. Another Coho book. Finished. Breakfast is served. It's my acai yogurt bowl with blueberries, my coffee, everything bagel seasoning because I have my sesame bagel toasted with cream cheese, avocado, and then everything bagel seasoning on top. And I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat now. Bye! 朋友们，我要去做美甲喽，超好看呢！淡粉色 chrome， 这样子看是不是好看一点？哇 ，chrome pink，